Hey guys, today I want to look at something called skills. So skills are reusable capabilities for AI agents. And if we go to this website, which is skills.sh, here we can find multiple skills that we can use. The one skill I want to use now is called Remotion Best Practices. So Remotion, it's a package that will let you create motion design videos, but without the skills, you would be creating your own components. When you add this skill to your AI agent, the AI would be creating these components according to what's written here in these files, following specifically the skills that Remotion has given to us, and then it would also render the video for you. So all you have to do is copy this line, then you can go to the terminal. I have already added skills. I can check all my skills. If I go here to Codex, then I go skills, list skills, and I can find here Remotion best practices. So here I have the skill added. All I have to do now is just prompt. I have already prepared a prompt here. We can read it together. You are a motion design developer. Your task is to generate a short motion design video that visually showcases how to use ChatGPT. This is not a tutorial with real UI screenshot. It is an animated explanation of the flow, so user prompt ChatGPT thinking response. And here we have given it some rules. Then we give it the style that we want. And then also here, which is important, we give it the scenes that we want. So we have scene 1, which is the opening, how ChatGPT works. Then C2, the user is prompting here, then here the sending the prompt and ChatGPT thinking, then response generation and ending. So now you have to be specific when creating these kind of videos. Now you can just copy this, paste it here, and wait until you get the result. So now you can see it's working. I will speed up the video a bit so we don't have to wait. And now, as you can see, we have a video. We have all the code generated. We can see the scenes here. We have the index, we have the root. Now, in this case, all we have to do is just to render the video. So we can go to, we can do npm run start. And this would be the Remotion editor. And here we're seeing the video that was just rendered. And that's it. So of course this video isn't gonna be perfect, and that's why you need to be doing iteration in the prompt. So you need to keep prompting and specifying in each scene what you need to have changes. Some other thing we can do is also add, let's say add background music to the video. We can also add background music, but as I said, looking at the video, of course it's not perfect. Of course, it looks like junior work, or it looks like someone beginner doing this. But if you keep iterating in the prompts, you will eventually get a better video and a better number of scenes even. So now let's check here Codex. Okay. Would you proceed? Yeah. And now it has added background music, but we can just specify. If we check here, we can go to audio. Okay. Now we just need to do npm install. Now npm run dev. Oops. And now we can see the background music was added. And if we run it, we would hear, of course, the background music. And that's it, guys. So this is like a short tutorial on how to use this stuff. But as I said, you would have to be iterating here to create the scenes better and to have a better result eventually. But as you can see where we're going, everything is becoming a bit easier. So instead of creating all of these components, the Codex can easily create these for you just by adding these skills, and it can add these components by following what skills the Remotion has already created. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video.